right, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to discuss real estate for beginners. In this video, I will just be discussing real estate in general, like if you want to become an agent or if you just want to know what real estate really entails, just the beginning stages of it. Let's get into it. Now, real estate could sound so complicated. Trust me, before I got into real estate, I thought real estate was like just the word alone, I was just scared of it. But let's break it down. Real estate just felt like a word that was intimidating, okay? But let's break it down and make it more friendlier. Okay, so what is real estate? Real estate, it's just property, selling homes, land, building, etc. But the real estate industry, it's about how people sell, lease, buy, invest property, and of course, how to manage property. That's a huge one. So whether it's your first home, investment, real estate touches all of that. Okay, so like I said, this video covers everything. So this video is for aspiring real estate agents, first-time home buyers, people thinking about investing in real estate, or just anybody just trying to learn something for fun. Okay, what is real estate? Okay, this is buyers want home and the seller has a home. And a real estate agent connects the two. They connect the two together. Buyer wants home, seller has a home. A lender finances it, and everyone signs millions of paperwork. And voila, we're at the closing table. Boom, done. We've closed, we're at the finish line. But of course, in between that, we are going through inspections, okay? Are marketing the house, negotiations, there's appraisals happening. In between all of that, all of those things are taking place. And those are where all the professionals show up. Okay, 5 terms I feel like anybody getting into real estate should really, whether you're a buyer getting into it as a career, as a real estate agent, selling, or just interested in real estate in general, 5 terms you should know. Let's get into it. The first term would be pre-approval. Pre-approval is proof you can afford the home you're trying to buy. You can afford the property. Or you can think of it as pre-approval, you can afford what you want. MLS is the system agents use to find active listings, what's going on in different towns. Escrow is where your money goes. Escrow is where your money goes. It resides while everything is getting finalized. Title is legal ownership of the property. Without a title, you do not own the property. It's very, very important you have that title. 5, contingency. Contingency is, it's something within the contract that has to be met before everything is finalized, before the sale closes. So for example, if within the contract, I'm just going to throw something in there, the seller said they were going to do the roof. Okay, it's like 30 years old. The roof has to get done before the sale, before the contract closes, before that roof being done, the roof has to get done, okay, for the contract to be valid, because it was a contingency. It was something that was said was going to be done before we got to the closing table. So yes, contingency is very important. If you do not meet certain contingencies, closing will not happen. Okay, so tips for aspiring agents or buyers. If you're an agent, start studying your words. So thinking of becoming an agent, start studying as soon as possible. Start answering questions. Start studying your vocabulary. That will be very, very important. Actually have planners and tools that can help you. It's in the link in my bio if you need any help with that. Planning on buying a home soon, focus on saving, and focus on your credit score. So I hope this video was very helpful. I hope this video kind of simplified what real estate really is, okay? There's nothing to be intimidated about. It is an amazing space to be in. It has transformed a lot of people's lives. It has opened doors for so many people. At the same time, it has been some heartbreak for others, but overall, real estate is just something amazing to learn about, to be in that space, you guys. And if you have any questions, I am just so blessed and so honored that you guys have welcomed me to be in that community, to even provide any real estate advice. I'm just so honored that you guys have subscribed, that you guys have joined the Joelle Your Agent family. Honestly, I cannot do it without you guys. The questions that you guys ask, the feedback that you guys give to me in return allows me to keep doing what I'm doing. And I'm here to help anybody that is looking for help. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. You guys share, subscribe to the Joelle Your Agent family if you haven't done already, you guys. Listen, I am here for you guys. So please, I can't even thank you guys enough. So I just really appreciate the support. Again, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.